Good morning, teacher. My name is Dominic Andrade, and the question is, why are you learning English? I'm learning English because it's very important for my future, because if I want to become a good professional, I must learn English because it's the first language in the world. I'm also learning English because when I was a child, I like it a lot, and I always wanted to learn to speak English fluently. Since I'm in the school, until now I continue to learn English, and every year or semester that pass, I acquire a lot of knowledge thanks to all my teachers, who I'm sure will serve me in the future. The truth is that I love English, and I'm very excited to continue learning more every day.